Hello everyone, my name is Carl, and this is my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Wintrolls Donuts. First, we're going to start off half of a chocolate bar. It's very chocolatey. Next, I will be reviewing a chocolate circle donut. Also chocolatey. Next up on the list, I will be reviewing the glazed circle donut. Needs more glaze. A classic favorite for everyone, the sugar circle. It's basically just a glazed donut, but instead of glaze, it's just sugar. It doesn't taste like anything. Needs more sugar. Here we have an apple fritter, called an apple fritter because it's apple flavor. Also, there's some fritters inside. I'm going to take a bite now. I taste the apple, but I don't taste the fritter. It tastes like a glazed donut, but a little bit more hard. Like my wife, Karen. Thank you for watching this. For more reviews, tune back in soon. And good night, everybody.